Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I hope you're doing fantastic today because we're about to make a Milkmaid crop top. Before we waste any time, let's get to it. So the measurement we're going to need is our bust round circumference, and we're going to take that measurement and multiply it by 1.5. And the width of our crop top is going to be quarter of your bust round measurement plus 2 inches, and this is going to be for folding. Once we're done, we want to connect all our points to form a rectangle. Now we're going to start by marking the armhole, of which I'm going to mark 3 inches from the top line, and then on the side I'm also going to mark 3 inches. Then I'm going to connect the 2 points to form an armhole. Now on the other side, which is going to be for the front, I am going to mark 3 inches going down, and from the bottom going up, I'm also going to mark 3 inches. And right on the top line, I'm going to mark 1 inch. Then once I am done, I'm going to connect the points with a straight line. Okay guys, take note, when I'm going to be cutting this pattern, I did draft the back and the front together. So we're going to start by cutting out this rectangle shape before we cut out the front piece. So I have my fabric on fold, of which I am going to be cutting the back piece first. So once we're done cutting the back piece, so we want to go ahead and cut out the front pattern. Now we're going to join our pattern right on the side by sewing 0.5 seam allowance. Once we are done doing so, we want to go ahead and hem the bottom, including the top of our crop top. And I am going to fold 1/2 inch seam. So guys, once we are done hemming, I'm going to go ahead and attach the elastic, as you can see, and I'm going to cut the elastic all around a bit shorter than the actual body measurement or bust round measurement. As you can see, it's like 2 inches shorter, and I'm also going to cut the same way for the bottom, including the top. So guys, as you can see, our crop top is taking shape. So we want to go ahead and attach the straps, and I did cut them on a bias form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a notch so that I can attach them around the armhole. So the width of my strap is around 1.5 inch, and the length, it all depends on you. Just make sure it goes around your armhole comfortably. So the length, you decide how long you want it to be. So once we have attached or sewed our straps and we need to fold, I'm going to fold it 1/2 inch and then fold it another inch. So as I'm going to be sewing the strap, I'm going to continue the folding all the way to the strap. I don't know if you can understand this part, yeah. But yeah, I'm going to continue the folding all the way to the strap. So guys, we are almost done. The next thing that I need to do is to fold the tip of the front so that we'll be able to insert another strap to close the front. So I'm going to sew a straight stitch on one side and also sew a straight stitch onto the other side. Then I'll show you how this crop top will look on the mannequin. And we are done, guys, with this project, and I really loved and I enjoyed doing it. I'm gonna make more of this crop top. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did. See you on the next one.